Hi student, today I am going to discuss the chapter light, shadows and reflection. In today's video, I will discuss about three topics. First one is what is light, second one how fast does light travel, and third one is sources of light. Okay. Now first, what is light? So light is a form of energy which help us in seeing object. Okay, so to see any other object we require light. So light is also used in photosynthesis. Okay, now let us take an example how light is used to see the other object. So in this picture it is clear that from sun light falls on the tree, then light reflects on the tree and incident or falls on our eye. So in this scenario, when light falls on our eye after reflecting from the tree, then this light forms an image of the tree in our eye, and that is why we can see the tree. So in this way light helps us to see the other object. Speed of light. So here we will discuss how fast the light can travel. Speed of light is very fast. Its speed is 3 lakh kilometer per second. That means in 1 second light can travel 3 lakh kilometer. So for example, the distance between Delhi and Chennai is 2000 kilometer. So to cover this 2000 kilometer, light takes only 1/150 second to cover it. That means this is a very small time. Let us take another example. We know the distance between Earth and Sun is 1485 lakh kilometer, and to cover this much a huge amount of distance, light takes only 8/1/4 minutes to cover it. So from these two experiments, it is clear that light can travel with a very fast velocity. Next topic is sources of light. Sources of light means the object from which we can get light. That object is called sources of light. So various example is there. For example, sun, stars, fireflies, torch, etc. So these are called sources of light because from this object we can get light. Depending upon whether an object can produces a light or not, based on this, object can be divided in two sections. One is luminous object and the other one is non-luminous object. So luminous object is object that produce their own light are called luminous object, and those that do not are called non-luminous objects. So in the picture there is two sections, one is for luminous object and the other one is non-luminous object. So luminous object, for example bulb, fire, sun, so this object can produces their own light, so that's why they are called luminous object. And non-luminous object, for example pencil, a book, they can't produce their own light, and that is why they are called non-luminous objects. So in this picture we are getting a light from a bulb, and that light falls on a book. So here the bulb is a luminous object and the book is a non-luminous object. From this picture, we can identify a characteristic of a non-luminous object, which is a non-luminous object though cannot produce their own light, but it can reflect a light falls on it. So in the picture, when light falls on the book from the bulb, the book reflects the light in all direction. So this is a property of a non-luminous object.